Listen, YouTube, it's been a minute since I've done a self-cut tutorial. Listen, I did a 1.5 a minute ago, and it hurt me, okay? It hurt me, okay? Now, to any regular waver, you know what I'm saying? My waves are still gonna be slapping, you know what I mean? I'm not talking to you, okay? I'm not talking to you. I'm pretty much talking to my battle wavers, you know what I'm saying? My battle wavers, your boy Jeezy done took a fall. But don't get it twisted though. I'm back and I'm better as far as, I shouldn't even say that. I'm back and I'm better. Nah, man, I'm hurting right now. Yeah, I'm back and I'm better. That ain't, no. That I don't know why you even said that, Jeezy. I mean, who are you? Like, what you talking about though? Like, I'm back. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get better. What do you mean? I'm just saying though, the way you said it, yeah, no. Okay? You on the comeback, you on the rebound. Okay? You bricked and you caught your rebound.
Not here, nigga.
Stay tuned. So right now, I'm gonna cut my hair at a 2.5. I'm not doing no more 1.5. As I'm getting older and my hair is not the same as it was when I first started YouTube, alright, certain things I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Like my corners, I gotta keep my corners a little bit more.
Let it go, big bro.
You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so before I just jump right into a 2, I wanted to see what a 3.5 is. So I got my 3 guard with the lever open, and I'm just running through, basically trying to see where I'm at. Alright, so that didn't take it down as much as I wanted. So I went ahead, did what I said I was gonna do in the beginning and take it down to a 2.5. All right, that's 2 with the lever fully open, going in the same direction that I brush. Alright, so instead of just trying to, you know, go around my crown, I feel like it's easier if you would just go against the grain on everything. That way you don't have to worry about snagging or cutting anything lower. So right now, I went 2 guards size higher, alright? So if I cut my hair with the grain with a number 2 with the lever open, I'm gonna go against the grain with a number 4 with the lever open. So I'm just not really caring, going against the grain of every which way, and it's gonna come out just like my number 2 with the grain. Alright, so starting on the taper, I usually like getting high tapers, but I keep them very low. So how I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna start by setting in my ball line with my Babyliss FX trimmers. after you put in your bolt line, right now I'm just gonna debulk, putting my one guard on with the lever open and knowing that's how high I want to stop. All right, so I'm just gonna debulk how high I want to stop and then fade under it. Now with the lever fully open, I'm going up about 1/4 inch and I'm making sure that I go over that guideline multiple times to make sure that it's at that length. So I know I debulked with the one guard already with the lever open, but I'm still gonna go over that guideline to make sure everything is even. You wanna make sure you follow these steps and go through the steps even though you decided to debulk. Next, putting on the zero guard close in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line that you created. Make sure you start below the line and flick to the line and don't go above that. With the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now, I'm only using my corners when I do this, all right? I want to start off taking baby steps. I don't want to use the full blade because I don't want to focus on that other edge, focusing on two things at once, all right? It's just not a good idea. Next, what you want to do is detail your work. I'm going to knock off all the bulk that I see that needs to be faded just a little bit more. I'm going to take my 2 guard and go up a little bit more, but basically this is just touch-up work, all right? You don't have to go in too deep. When it comes to the bulk that's on top, whatever guard size you took it down to, just go a guard size below that to knock off the bulk. That way, you don't have to cut into the wave. You're just bringing that wave down. So on the other side, you do the same exact steps. Now, as far as the back goes, let me just talk to y'all real quick. Like, this is not just simple as it is, right? Not even cutting your own hair is as simple as I make it look, right? But it comes with practice, all right? Just like anything, all right? And the back taper, I must say, is the hardest thing that you can do because you got to look into a mirror, into another mirror, and that mirror is going to be backwards. So your hand placement, you're not going to be able to know where your hand is moving because looking in the mirror, your hand seems like it's backwards, all right? But if you do it time after time, if you give it effort and try again, all right, you're gonna overcome it. You're gonna get better and better and better, but you gotta start, all right? Just like anything, if you don't know how to do it, you gotta start, you gotta get better. I wasn't always good when doing the back taper. I wasn't good at cutting my own hair. I wasn't good at cutting hair, period. It's something I found a love for, and I just kept doing it so much that I got better and better and better. So if you want to do self-cutting, you gotta at least want to try, all right, to get better.
HustleDreamProduction.
So people always ask me how long do I brush? I brush at least 3 hours a day. Not all at once, but throughout the day, I get about an hour at lunch, an hour when I get home, and an hour before bed. This is what people call battle brushing, alright? Stay tuned for Major League Waving on Saturdays. This is gonna change the game of waving forever.
Alright, YouTube, this is The Cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. We out of here.